Hello everybody. Today we will continue our next content. Last session we already covered this topic, encapsulation. Today we will see a next practical, rotation on a specified path. You know very well how we can just doing a simple animation of simple moving a ball from one corner to another corner. But in this demo, they are telling us how to we move our object on a specified path. Create a new file. Let's first create a path for rotating using beeline tool. Select the beeline tool and draw a oval shape path as shown figure 4.11. In the tool option panel, select only create outline beeline option C. The all steps are given here. We will draw this way. I already start here. We are using this toolbox. Toolbox always put it as left side because we are familiar with MS Paint. This is the layers. Beeline tool. This is a beeline tool. They are telling us create a beeline tool. Beeline. Create a beeline. Click here and drag it. Click here and drag it. I think some issue is here. We just close it. We will start it again. Synfig Studio. You know very well how Synfig Studio is start. This is our Synfig Studio. This is our toolbox. Now we will select we will create a beeline tool. This is a beeline tool. Create a beeline. This way we will draw our path from where we want to move our object. If you can't understand, we will draw it once again. Control N. This is our object box. This is our beeline tool. First line, click here. Another line, click here. Third line, click here. Fourth line, click here. Fifth line, click here. Right click, loop beeline. Again go to option. You click on it. This is our textbook. After creating this type of path, select the transform tool to finish a B line. Now pressing escape will clear the B line. We complete this. Now select the circle tool using a palette editor. Select a color of your choice. Now we will select a circle tool. This is our circle tool. The color is by default pink color. You want to change it, you will change the color which you want to fill in your object. You will draw a circle here. All steps are given in this textbook. Now after drawing a circle, see the circle is here. Circle new B line. This option is here as our textbook. See, circle new B line. Now next step, let's add a new rotate layer above the circle layer. New rotate layer. The layer in the layer panel, select the circle layer, right click, new layer, transform, rotate. See. This is our layer panel. Click on it. Right click on it, new layer, transform layer, rotate layer. A rotate layer will come here. See. See, this is a rotate layer. After coming this, see, you are able to see rotate layer above the circle layer. See, rotate layer above the circle layer as per our textbook. This is our textbook step. Rotate circle. Now what is next step? We need to rotate the circle. We have added a rotate layer above the circle layer. Now we will encapsulate the circle layer and rotate layer. To select both layer, click on the rotate layer. In the layer panel, press shift and select the circle layer. See what we will do. We will do this circle layer and press shift key and rotate layer. This right click, encapsulate it. See, right click and select encapsulate. Same step we are going to do here. Right click, encapsulate. See, this encapsulate is come here. Due to sharing window, this problem may occur. I am unable to show you this properly. See, so we just right click and select encapsulate. Does the rotate the circle layer. Name inline camera. You can change the name of encapsulator. It's not required. If you not change, it's okay. Due to this issue, I just like to share you with this link. Select this link, shift and select, Control C. Because I am unable to do it, just press here. This demo is This demo is nice. All steps are given. We will just skip these 2-3 steps. How to draw a object, you know very well. See, up to circle we already done. How to draw a circle, you know very well. We will continue from here. I hope you will be clear this. Got this?
Learn OpenCV in 3 hours. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn everything required to get you started with OpenCV.
Today we will conclude our session here. Thank you.